I had only started Olympic weightlifting for, I was doing it only for about a year, and I was already feeling this pain. I felt like, oh my God, I have to stop lifting. And it was just so emotionally devastating for me. And as I was trying to pick apart the pieces of that, I realized it was so hard for me because I had tied my identity so much to Olympic weightlifting. I had come into myself with Olympic weightlifting. The body positivity and the confidence that it brought for me, feeling strong, was so critical for my growth. And to feel like I couldn't do it anymore was just completely and utterly devastating for me. And I just refused to take no for an answer. So I was extremely frustrated, very emotional about it. And I thought, you know what, it's time. Let me, I've exhausted other efforts. I haven't tried active life. I have nothing to lose here. So let me look into it. The moment I realized that this was working and solving the problem was, there was one day that Colin had programmed squats to a wall ball. So we were starting to get a little bit below parallel. I was nervous at first because I still feeling, there's a fear around, pain and not sure if you're ready to go, to push past or push through a certain range of motion that you just haven't done because of pain. And I was skeptical in the beginning, but I started doing it. I was like, okay, my pain is maybe a 1, not really anything serious. And I started doing it more, and I think that was the moment I realized, okay, I'm actually making progress here. Like, this actually might be working for me. I actually might be able to squat again one day.